Howdy howdy rock tumblers. In today's video we're going to clean up these rocks that I had burnishing / cleaning for 2 hours in borax, and this was stage 3 rocks and pre-polish, and after that I'm going to move them on to the polish stage. So here's one of the bits here. That's the borax soap. We've got the other one here. Let's go ahead and do this. Wow, those look nice. Oh, they feel so smooth. Wow. Amazing. So I'm going to put these, I think these are ready. I'm going to put them in the pre-polish aluminum oxide 1000. Polish, polish, polish. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let's see if I can get this one off. Come on, work with me here. All right. I didn't use any ceramics in this. I was just experimenting here. Try it without. What beauty. Wow, I think this is one of my favorite rocks. This one and this one. This one was a plain old rock in the neighborhood that I found. It was so dull, you could barely tell there was 2 different colors. But I got it wet. I like the rock, yes. I like rocks sometimes, as long as there's not too much dirt. And I saw the potential. So, I mean, look at these beauties. Amazing. So, on to stage 4, polish, aluminum oxide. What do you guys think, huh? I think they turn out great. They're so smooth. Hey, hit the boop button, like button, boop the like button. All right, thanks guys, bye.